Odyyc is a CX strategy agency that combines data-driven segmentation with creative storytelling. We build customer experiences that drive visibility and conversion. This case study highlights Sky International Preschool, an English language preschool in Hanoi. Their challenge: transforming an outdated digital presence to one that truly reflects their modern values, attracting discerning parents from diverse cultural backgrounds through refreshed content, structure, and tone. Odyyc spearheaded a comprehensive, 3-part strategic workshop series, actively engaging Sky's leadership, dedicated teachers, and key community stakeholders. We first focused on the audience personas and emotional journey mapping. We co-created detailed personas for Sky's 2 key audiences: anxious expat parents, seeking cultural fit and credibility, and ambitious local Vietnamese parents, balancing prestige and price. Cultural nuance, from UK to Vietnam, was central, highlighting diverse expectations in learning, discipline, and family involvement. Using a UX approach, we conducted card sorting and tree testing with families. They tackled real school decision tasks like find tuition info, shaping categories such as Skylife and admissions. This validated task flows, ensuring clarity for both practical and emotional journeys. Through content structure and zoning, we align the site with the parent journey, mapping pages to awareness, consideration, and trust. We prioritized first impressions and anxiety-reducing content. The tone was structured yet emotionally attuned, reflecting how families think, feel, and choose. Odyyc delivered a full UX and content strategy package focused on conversion, clarity, and emotional resonance. Our insights translated into execution, guaranteeing Sky's future site informs and builds belonging. Visit us at oddyc.com and schedule a Zoom with our team. And let's bring your customer journey to life. Thank you for coming.